Listen, speak, read, write.
Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support. Subscribe now, like, and comment. Lesson 7. Adjectives. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that modifies or describes nouns or pronouns by providing additional information about their qualities, characteristics, or attributes. What is a quality? A quality is a natural or essential part of something that is inseparable from the thing itself. In other words, it is an inherent or intrinsic aspect of someone or something. Adjectives, qualities. Happy, friendly, hot. The happy children played with the friendly dog on a hot day. What is a characteristic? Characteristics are visible descriptive aspects of a person or thing that can distinguish one from another. Adjectives, characteristics. Tall, red, white. The tall lady with red hair is wearing white clothing. What is an attribute? An attribute is a specific quality or characteristic that is associated with a person, thing, or idea for purposes of classifying or categorizing. Adjectives, attribute. Wealthy, stylish, expensive. The wealthy couple, dressed in stylish fashion, ate at an expensive restaurant. Reminder, an adjective is a word that modifies or describes nouns or pronouns by providing additional information about their qualities, characteristics, or attributes. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.